Okay, we're going to move over to the lathe next, and what I plan on doing is putting the top angle on and doing the ring grooves, and that's it. Well, okay, that's it. Ring grooves and the top, and that'll be it. I'm going to switch from my 3-jaw back to 5C collet and use my little sleeve that I made, put in there into the, and that'll be tomorrow's project. All right. So, okay, that'll be it for now. Catch you guys later. Like I say, I'm going to post videos from the other 2 cameras that were a little bit further away, and at the end of this. So, catch you later. All right, I think I got the camera set. I had to use a mirror to get to the back of it. I need to plug it in so don't run out of juice. Route the cord up here. Cord around here. It'll probably shut off when I plug it in too. What do you want to bet? I need this is a Roku USB, that should work. And plug it in and we'll see. And I'll have to get the mirror to see. I have to hold the mirror because I can't see up there. It's too high. Yeah, I'll have to look. All right, it's still recording. Now I gotta get it set back again. Where I had it. And go up a little bit. Down. Up. A little more. There, that should be about where I'm going to be working. I'll cut all this out. As they say, take 2. All right, I'm going to vacuum the sawdust up first. From when we made the flap. Got most of it. Now we got to take this off. My board is got stuff stacked on it again, so I got to be careful. There goes my collet, my split. Okay, loose. There we go. We're going to cut the crown on it. On them. So we're putting the 5C collet adapter in. Make sure everything is clean in there. And make sure everything's clean on here. One little tap. Take my tube, tightening tube, pull tube, what else can you call it? Turn the 2 screws in. There you go. All right. Now, I have a couple here that are, I should have milled a slot in this one. And, but I'll use it as a setup, this one here as a setup part. So let's put this collet in. And then I have to set the angle. Tighten it up. I want this one to cut the angle on and then put it on the head to see if it's going to fit correctly. Okay, safety glasses. All right. And what angle do we want this set at? I'm actually set up over here. I could go ahead and cut that slot in there. I don't have to drill the hole, but I could cut the slot in it. That'll give me some idea. Well, I'll just chance it, I guess. 20 degrees is what we want. So we want to move over 20 degrees and then run the spindle backwards and go in. Right? So let's see. I think I made some marks on my, but I don't remember exactly what they were. Because the farthest I can go over is 40. 39 actually, and I made another mark on here 10 degrees back or 20 degrees back so that I could go smaller angles, and right there's the mark. So if we're at 40, Loosen these up. We're at 40 there. That's 30, and that's 20. Pretty close to 20 anyway. All right. It should be pretty darn close to 20 degrees. Now, let's get this squared up. One, two, three blocks. Oh, I can just use my fixture here. Just use my fixture. Let's crank this in a little bit. Everything looks square. We'll hang on to that fixture. So now we want a tool to come in and cut that. I would like to use the tool that I was turning with, this one. That should be all right if I turn it around. I'll just come in on this side, and basically. So we'll turn it this way. Good. One up. There we go. We'll hang this back up. All right, so we need to take my little chip shield out of there so I can get in closer. And we got to run in reverse. And what are we at? We're at 1,000. Let's go to 800. Oop. All right, so now let's take a file and knock that little tit off of there. Tip. Remember, we couldn't say that at work. Tit. We couldn't say that. How silly is that, huh? Yeah, something like this, it wasn't a tit, it was a tit. All right, I want to just see if that's going to fit in the head. Cylinder head. I'm going to grab a cylinder head over here. Take the screws out of it. I just want to see how well that fits in there. I think that'll be okay. It's not rocking on the top, so if anything, it's a little shy, and it's hitting on the valves more than likely. I think that'll be okay, though. Kind of matches the head. All right, so here we go. Boy, it sure don't look like the drawing, though. And that's 20 degrees, though. The drawing is showing it 20 degrees off of here. So that might not be right. So if we were at 90, we'd go 20 degrees. Yeah, I think I'm all wet here. Not even close, but it looked like it fits in the head pretty good. But then again, you can't really see down in there. It's hitting on the valves. All right. So if we're at like that, we're like that. So we're sitting like this. So we want to go back here, right back to the 20 mark. Right there. Let's try that and see what that looks like. Considerably steeper angle. Alright. Square up my tool again. Get it out first. All right. Let's put this in here. Turn this in so it catches the whole thing. All right. Try that. We'll get it. We'll get it. All right. Oh boy, that can't be right. Yeah, that's not right. That would put the tip way up there. Complimentary of 20 was where we had it. And complimentary of 20 is where I had it. And I'm sitting like this, and if I'm going like this straight across, I just move it over 20. I'm going straight across. It's where I had it. Was where I had it. Put it back again. Because if we were going straight across, where's my mark? Right there. So, and we wanted to go 20, 10, 20. I'm pretty sure that's where I had it. $50, $60, $60, $60, $70, $80, $90. That's 90, and then we're going to go back 20, 10, 20. That's where I was at. I'm sure that's where I was at. Sometimes the angles are confusing. I'm almost positive this is where I had it to start with. I had it right. Straighten that out again. That's why I have a setup part here but I should have made the cuts in it though. As far as the pocket and the wrist pin hole. But I didn't. All right, see where we're at. See if that jives with what I had. It's a little. Why is it a little steeper? It's what I had. Oh, I went. Yeah, I didn't have it right. I did not have it right. It should look like the drawing, since the drawing was made off of a CAD. So, kind of a rattly noise in reverse, huh? So, this actually should look. Yep, that's right. Just like that. So there should be 860 left. I don't know if this was cut to length though. Where my calipers at? Yeah, see, this wasn't cut to length, it was cut short by 10, 20 thou. And I measure this, and it's about 20 thou shy, so that's correct. All right. I have another one up here that is short. but I could still face it off. No, I wouldn't be able to use it. All right, well, we're going to have to go for it, I guess. And hope for the best. Should be right. I don't know which one wants to be my first one. I'm looking for the one that we had to hold on, and it was all scratchy. That's this one. It's got lots of little scratch marks on it. So we'll do this one first. And just slide that in there. And it's got to come to a point on the end. All right, here we go. That's it. Didn't have anything disastrous happen. Now I could put the ring grooves in right away too. And the width of those are 31 thou. 31 thou, and I think that's what this tool was. Here, let me measure that. If not, I can make it to that. Nope, it's 47. Let me see if I can make this into a 31, and then we can put the ring grooves in. The oil ring groove is 51. So we'll go in 31 on compression rings, and then just go in on the oil ring, and then come back out and move over 20 thou and go back in. Right? Sounds good to me. If I can grind this down and hit it, let's just try. I need to take, all right. Hopefully that'll work. And we'll have to get my magnifying glass out so that I can see. I got a little, which needs to be cleaned. It used to have a light. It used to have a light in it. You used to be able to push the button and the light would light up here. All right. But it works really good. There's 0. That's 0. Now let's move it in until it touches. right there. And 844 diameter pencil. Where did I lay my pencil? 844 diameter is 945. 9. .49 thou depth. All right. Let's back this out. Right there touches. We'll zero that diameter. And we want to go into an 844 diameter. We want to go into 844. What is that diameter? It's 943 or 44. I was just going to go into 45, but I'm going to go like this here and go in the diameter setting instead. Nine 942. All right, X.942. All right, and we want to go to 844. Oh, we want to go in over 40. You dummy, I hope I didn't mess it up already. Because that's right on the edge. And what did I say? It was 40 thou. So we want to go over 40 thou. See, I just about messed that up. Right there. I'm going to zero that. Right? Looks kind of funny. It did take a couple thou off where it wasn't supposed to, but it should be all right. Next, so now the next ring over down is, that one was at 789. And the next one is at 718. 17. So 71 thou. One, go 844. Okay, now the oil ring. Is is 90 thou. 90 thou over. So that 90. And then we'll take, and that's wider, so we'll take 90, and then we come over. Plus, I think the diameter was different also, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. 844. Now we come over, that one's 51 instead of 31. So we come over 20 thou. So we take that down to 70. And then we go into 844 again. There. I think we got it. Okay, let's take it out. And I don't know if you can see it or not, because I can't see the viewfinder, but this piston is done.